I'm going to discuss about how our trading plan plan works, and I'm going to discuss a lot with you about it. And I'm going to show you a lab back test. Remember, in our last video, I think I talked about, because among my BIP members there are some that are trading small account, and probably them taking a big account signal would be like a slump to them. So I'm sorry, 2 days I traveled to my destination, probably my origin, because we had one or two weddings like that, so I couldn't be updated on time. But I'm very, very sorry. I'm back online fully, and signals and videos will be uploaded every single day. Let me be fast because I don't want this video to be very, very long. So if you look at this account is just having $50 because it's a small account. It's the same account we are giving signal in small VIP group account. So what I want you to understand is that if you obey that you are trading, the reason why I'm even disturbing people to get a mentor, you must have a mentor, because your mentor will help you define your own trading system for you, and your mentor will help you adjust anything that will give you profit in your own trading system. Let me start with number one. Number one is this account has been funded with just $50, and we are just taking 1 to 2 signals every day. We are not being greedy with this account. We are just trying to make sure we enter market based on our own trading plan system. Whenever we get a condition that obeys all our trading plan or all our trading system, we will enter the market. If you look at, we started trading the account on the 16th. Look at the 16th here. We get one entry, 17 here. Sorry, this is still 16. Oh, this is 17, and this one you see with red. Any profit booked, I will show you how to move profit from how to lock your profit using another method that I want to show you now. Probably this method I will show you at the end of this video. This method, I'm very sure 90% of traders outside there have never seen this method before. So let me go on. So you see this account, you see this is the profit margin. Look at it. We traded the account, we started on 16, and 16, 17, 18, on the 19th. This is our last trade on the 19th. Because I traveled, I couldn't trade again till today. Today is 20th. Today is Saturday. So I'm releasing this video. Today is Saturday, 4 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you look at this, in just 3 days, you deposited $50. You withdraw. So all the profit here, every day, we generated the profit from the account. We will draw it from the main trading account to the CR account. So that's the method I say I want to show you on how to lock your profit. Any profit you make, even if it is $1, $2, you'll move it out from this wallet to the other wallet. Simple. You understand? Anytime you move your money from this wallet to the other wallet, it will definitely go directly. So that's how we roll, and that's how we are going on it. So that's just it. If you can see this account, $50 funded, $25 withdrawal, and balance is still 50. You see? So what I want you to understand is that anytime you place one single, and you look at the lot size I'm using 0.2 all through. So please, I'm begging you, if you have an account that is less than $100, please never use more than 0.002 lot size on it. I'm saying this for your own benefit. Okay, assuming this account now will have been risking the account, placing too many trades, 1 lot, 2 lots, 3 lots, all those sort of nonsense. We will not get what we want. But I promise you, if you use reasonable lot size and use what you're supposed to use, you will exactly get what you want. Simple. So please, make sure you enjoy your day. Make sure you enjoy every bit of it. And remember, our mentorship is coming very soon. For those that subscribe, congratulations. For those that did not subscribe, please, you can try and subscribe, because it will surely help you. If you subscribe to that mentorship, after that mentorship, you'll be an independent trader to yourself. So that's what you should understand. So you can see, this is how we're able to grow. Just 4 days. Oh, how many trades we enter? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 positions. So in just 16, 17, 18, 19, just 4 days, every day we enter two signal. My brother, you don't have to make million in a day. This is forex market. If you miss this opportunity, another opportunity is coming. On this account, we are targeting highest 20 pips. You see, 20 pips. You see +4. You see +4. You have never seen any more than 20 pips on this market. 20 pips, 15 pips, 17 pips, 18 pips. That's how you trade. Always, if you have a small account, always stick to your trading plan. Even if you don't have small account, even if you have a big account, if you stick to your trading plan, you will definitely achieve what you want. So imagine now, with this our great trading plan, we are able to generate 50% 50%, what is it called, 50% gross of this account in 4 days, in just 4 days, from our VIP signal. Remember, this is VIP signal we used to give, and we used to post it in our group. Everybody knows. So please and please, I don't know, I don't like trading small account. I don't even know how to trade small account. But this one, I'm just doing it for the sake of those our VIP members that have small account. Please, this is how you should trade that account. You can see I traded an account of $50 successfully, and even withdraw almost $25 in it. And you are seeing the signal I'm giving. Any position I enter with this account, you used to see, you should know, and you are seeing it. So please and please, I tell God, beg you, please, always make sure you use a good trading plan for your trades. Simple. Am I making sense?
لقد جئت شيئا إمرا قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى